everyone. My name is Komal Verma, Assistant Professor Babu Banarsi Das University. Today I will discuss a important topic local anesthetics. Local anesthetics are agents which produce reversible block of nerve conduction without any structural damage to the neuron concerned without any loss of consciousness. They block generation and conduction of nerve impulse at all the part of the neuron where they come in contact with causing any structural damage. Prefer, Preferred for performing minor surgery. Do not cause loss of consciousness. Do not need proper maintenance of vital function during surgery. Of the local anesthesia. The various features are found in local anesthesia. The site of action of local anesthesia it acts on peripheral nerves. It involves the restricted area of the body. It causes unaltered consciousness. They cannot be used for major surgery. They can be used for minor surgery. Classification of local anesthesia. They are mainly classified in two categories. In first classification, they consist of injectable anesthesia and surface anesthesia. Second classification is Sterling local anesthesia and amide link local anesthesia. Easter these anesthesia are linked with Easter group and amide link local anesthesia. These local anesthesia linked with the amide group. Flexible anesthetics. They are mainly in three types. First is low potency, short duration. Example is procaine, chloroprocaine. Second is intermediate potency and duration. Example is lidocaine and pilocaine. Third is high potency and long duration of action. Example is tetracaine, bupivacaine, bubucaine, ropivacaine. Acids, they are mainly in two types, soluble and insoluble. Soluble example is cocaine, lidocaine, tetracaine, benoxynate, and insoluble example is benzocaine, butylaminobenzoate, and oxythiazine. Second type of classification, there are two types, Sterling local anesthetic and amide local anesthetic. Example is cocaine, procaine, and chloroprocaine, tetracaine, benzocaine. And amide local anesthetic is lidocaine, bupivacaine, bupivacaine, pilocaine, ropivacaine. Sterling local anesthetic they link with the ester group and amide local anesthetic they link with the amide group. Local anesthesia are weak bases consist of hydrophilic amino group and lipophilic aromatic group. Both are joined with either ester or amide linkage. We can see the structure of procaine and lidocaine. Procaine is its structure is linked with the ester group and lidocaine its structure is linked with the amide group. We can see the structure of procaine and lidocaine. Now we will discuss the difference between ester-linked local anesthesia and amide-linked local anesthesia. The ester-linked local anesthesia is metabolized by plasma esterase and also by liver esterase. So this is short duration of action and less intense anesthesia. And amide-linked local anesthesia is not hydrolyzed by esterase but metabolized by microsomal enzyme through and dealkylation and subsequent hydrolysis. Thus longer duration of action, more intense anesthesia. And second is esterlic local anesthesia metabolized by PABA para-amino-benzoic acid derivative and thus causes higher risk of hypersensitivity reaction. And amide local anesthesia they are rarely causes hypersensitivity reaction. And ester local anesthesia they are antagonize action of sulfonamide and amitriptyline local anesthesia do not antagonize action of sulfonamide. And Easterlink local anesthesia example is procaine have poor tissue penetrability, and example lidocaine have good tissue penetrability. Mechanism of action of local anesthesia. The primary mechanism of action of local anesthetic is block of voltage gated sodium channel and bind to the receptor near the intercellular end of the voltage gated sodium channel. This reduces the permeability of cell membrane to sodium ion, so causes action of potential is not generated. Local anesthetic block voltage-gated sodium channel, hence block nerve conduction. It decreases the entry of sodium ions during upstream of action potential. As the concentration of local anesthesia increase, the rate of rise of action potential and maximum depolarization decrease. The receptor for local anesthesia is located in the transmembrane pore of sodium channel in its intercellular part. Second poses occur diffusion into the nerve fiber and blockade of sodium channel. Local diffusion through the membrane in its unionized lipophilic state, then deionize and bind to the local anesthetic receptor. The ionized form of local anesthetic is able to approach the receptor only when channel is open at inner surface. We can see the mechanism of action by the help of diagram. Binding of the local anesthetic to its receptor stabilizes the sodium channel in the inactivate state and reduces the chances of channel opening and reduce the passage of sodium ion impulse conduction. In, in the diagram, we can see the mechanism of action of local anesthesia. Voltage gated sodium channel. The sodium ion present in extracellular fluid of plasma membrane. This is the resting stage of plasma membrane. After that, the sodium enter in the inside of the plasma membrane. So it is activate stage of the plasma membrane. After that, activate stage is convert the inactivate state. Action is interrupted when the sodium ion channel over a critical length of the fiber are blocked. Channel takes longer to recover. Refractory period of fiber is increased. Potency of local anesthetic generally corresponds to lipid solubility of base form, as this will only penetrate. One set time of blockage is related to a pKa value of drug. The pKa value of is lower, it will be 7.6 to 7.8. This is faster acting and 30 to 40% of local anesthesia remains unionized form at pH 7.4. Example as lidocaine. Higher pKa value 8.1 to 8.9. This is slower acting. An example is procaine, tetracaine and bupivacaine. To higher concentration of calcium ion, reduce inactivation of sodium ion channel and lessens the degree of block. Use of local anesthetic. It is non-irritating to the tissue. No permanent alteration of nerve structure. Systemic toxicity should be low. Effective whether injected or applied topically. Use dependent means that the more the channels are opened, the greater is the block. Local anesthetic action are pH dependent. Local anesthetics are less effective infective tissue because in the infective area extracellular pH is acidic. Local anesthetics are weak bases. Action is more at alkali pH. Proportional of unionized molecules are high. Duration of action of local anesthesia. Rate of diffusion from site of administration and degree of plasma protein binding. Rate of elimination from body. Presence of vasoconstrictor. Of vasoconstrictor of local anesthesia. Addition of vasoconstrictor slow absorption of local anesthesia from local site. Prolonged duration of action of local anesthesia. Also increased duration of action by decreased rate of removal from local site. Contact time of local anesthesia with nerve fiber is prolonged. Slow absorption decreases its systemic toxicity and enhance intensity of nerve block. Provide a more boltless field of surgery. Disadvantage of local anesthesia may raise blood pressure and promote arrhythmia in susceptible people. Reduce oxygen supply, increase chance of tissue edema and necrosis, and delay wound healing. Failure of local anesthesia in inflamed tissue. Inflammation reduces pH of tissue. Greater fraction is in ionized form, hindering diffusion. Blood flow to inflamed area is increased and local anesthesia removed more rapidly from site. Inflammatory products may oppose local anesthesia action. Effectiveness of adrenaline injected with local anesthesia is reduced at inflamed sites. The pharmacological action of local anesthesia. Local action. The clinically used the local anesthesia have no cause local irritation action and block. They are blocked and sensory nerve ending, neuromuscular junction and receptor structure which function through increased sodium ion permeability. They also reduce release of acetylcholine from motor nerve ending. Injected around a mixed nerve, they cause anesthesia of skin and paralysis of the voluntary muscle supplied by the nerve. The local pharmacological action. The autonomic fibers are generally more susceptible than somatic fibers. Myelinated are blocked earlier than non-myelinated. Among the somatic afferent sensory neuron, order of blockade is pain, temperature sense and touch, deep pressure sense. Systemic action. The systemic action is dependent upon the concentration of the plasma and tissue. It is mainly acting the CNS. All the local anesthetics are capable of producing a sequence of stimulation followed by depression. Cocaine is powerful CNS stimulant in dose-dependent manner. Procaine and other produce less CNS effects at safe clinical doses. Basic action of all the local anesthetic is neuronal inhibition. The apparent stimulation seen initially is due to inhibition of inhibiting neuron. Symptoms with overdoses of all local anesthetics. Circumoral numbness, numbness around mouth, abnormal sensation in tongue, alteration in taste, dizziness, blurred vision, tinnitus, dysphoria, lethargy. Still higher doses, excitation, restlessness, agitation, muscle twitching, seizure, and finally unconsciousness. Yes. Local anesthetic has a direct depression action on the myocardium. Local anesthetic decrease electrical activity of the myocardium, decrease conduction rate and the force of contraction. The therapeutic blood level of lidocaine for antiarrhythmic action range from 1.8 to 6 microgram per ml. The local anesthetic are cardiac depressant but no significant effect at lower doses. At high and higher doses decrease automaticity, accessibility, contractility, conductivity, and prolonged refractory period. However, lidocaine is used as antiarrhythmic. It is less effect on contractility and conductivity. Shorter refractive period. Bupivacaine is cardiotoxic. It is not used. The blood vessel. Local anesthetic tend to produce fall in BP due to sympathetic blockade, and in the higher concentration, it causes the direct relaxation of vascular muscles, that is vasodilation. Toxic doses of local anesthetics is called cardiovascular collapse. However, cocaine has different action. It has symptomatic activity and causes local vasoconstriction and make the rise of BP and increase the heart rate. Action of the local anesthetic, that is cocaine and related drug, have weak weak anticholinergic properties and the weak antihistaminic properties and the weak ganglionic blocking property, the weak neuromuscular blocking property and the weak smooth muscle relaxation property. Kinetics of local anesthetic. Rate of absorption depends on the blood flow to the area of application or injection. The absorbed local anesthetic, being lipophilic, is widely distributed and it causes rapidly enter and highly perfused brain, heart, liver and kidney followed by muscle, and it is soluble surface anesthetic are rapidly absorbed from mucous membrane, but absorption from intact skin is very poor. Local anesthetics are rapidly hydrolyzed by plasma pseudocholinesterase and esterases in liver. Amide-linked local anesthetic is rapidly metabolized by dealkylation and hydrolysis. Metabolism of lidocaine is dependent on hepatic blood flow. All the local anesthetics have high first pass metabolite and not active oral. Cocaine is the example of surface anesthesia. It is the first natural alkaloid obtained from the leaf of Rhizoxylum coca. It is a good surface local anesthetic. This is firstly used as occur anesthetic in 1860. A drug of abuse found to produce addiction. The disadvantage of the cocaine: it is never injected. It causes tissue necrosis, prominent CNS stimulant, and marked effect on mood and behavior. Stimulate vagal center bradycardia and stimulate vasomotor center. It rise the blood pressure. They stimulate vomiting center, nausea and vomiting. Stimulate temperature regulating center, the hyperpyrexia. In peripheral, it blocks the uptake of adrenaline and noradrenaline. It increasing sympathomimetic effect. Lidocaine is the injectable anesthesia. It is the example of an injectable anesthesia. The procaine is it is short acting and low potency. It is poor tissue penetrability and no surface anesthetic effect. It is slow onset of action. They 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 has negligible bound to the plasma protein. It is metabolized by plasma esterases. Allergy reactions are most common in procaine. Lidocaine is most widely used local anesthetic. It is intermediate acting and intermediate potency. This this is good tissue permeability, so the surface anesthetic effect. It is most rapid onset of action, and the amide local anesthetic bound to alpha acidic glycoprotein. They metabolize by microsomal enzyme and alkylation. Allergy reactions are rare, but it is also used as antiarrhythmic. It is it have first highly passed thus not active orally. It is used for all type of anesthesia. The lidocaine is most widely used of local anesthetic. It is amide-linked local anesthetic. It is a versatile local anesthetic both for surface application and injection. Used for all type of anesthesia. See slide 35. Block conduction within 3 minutes so rapid onset of action. They being a weak patient bound to alpha-1 acid glycoprotein. It is a popular antiarrhythmic also less depression action on the heart muscle contractility and acid note of heart has high they has high first pass and it is not causes use orally. Mechanism of action as given earlier. Action as given earlier. See also slide 9 and 29. It is metabolite depend on hepatic blood flow. They are metabolized by and dealkylation followed by hydrolysis. Example is drowsiness, mental clouding, tinnitus, bell ringing in ear, altered, altered taste dysphoria, and overdose of the lidocaine. It causes the muscle twitching, convulsion, cardiac arrhythmia, and fall the BP, and coma, respiratory arrest. Lidocaine and pilocaine. If the preparation that can anesthetize intact skin after surface application. They are referred to lowering of melting point of two solids when they are mixed. Lidocaine and pilocaine are mixed in equal proportion at 25 degrees Celsius. Resulting oil is emulsified into water to form cream. Of local anesthetic in the CNS. It causes the various effects in the CNS like tongue numbness, dizziness, visual and auditory disturbance, mental confusion, disorientation. At the higher dose, it causes nystagmus, involuntary movement of eyes, and muscle twitching, CNS stimulant, it converts convulsion and it causes respiratory arrest. Tested by diazepam. On the CVS, the general adverse effect of local anesthesia in CVS, it causes the various symptoms like depressed conduction, bradycardia, produce hypotension and the vascular collapse. The bupivacaine it causes highly cardiotoxic and prolonged QT interval cocaine. They are block noradrenaline and reuptake, vasoconstriction, and the hypertension. The pilocaine produces methylpneumonia in larger doses. The larger doses causes accumulation of metabolite ortholudin, which oxidize hemoglobin to metaglobin. It causes cyanosis and the hypersensitivity allergic reaction seen with ester. They are mainly with ester type of local anesthetic. It causes the various actions like rashes, angioedema, dermatitis, and asthma. Of local anesthesia. We can use various types of techniques for local anesthesia like surface anesthesia and infiltration anesthesia, nerve block anesthesia, field block anesthesia, spinal anesthesia, epidural anesthesia, regional anesthesia. Surface anesthesia. It is produced by a topical application of a surface anesthetic to the mucous membrane and abraded skin. Only the superficial layer is anesthetized and there is no superficial layer. There is no loss of motor function. Onset of duration depend on the site of drugs, its concentration and form. Example lidocaine 10% spray in the throat act in 2 to 5 minutes and produce anesthesia for 30 to 45 minutes. Addition of adrenaline does not affect duration of topical anesthesia, but phenylephrine can cause mucosal vasoconstriction and prolonged topical anesthesia. Absorption of solid local anesthesia from mucous membrane is rapid. Blood concentration of lidocaine and tetracaine spray in throat and theobronchial tree approach those attained on IV injection. Toxicity can cause occur. Expected for eutectic lidocaine and pilocaine, it causes no other local anesthetic is capable for anesthetizing intact skin. Anesthesia, it is suitable only for small areas. Dilute solution of local anesthetic inject under the skin in the areas of operation. They block the sensory nerve ending. It is done for minor operation. It is immediately onset of action and duration of action is shortened. It used for incision, excision, hydrocele of water liquid in sac around testes, herenography, and used for abscess drainage. Block anesthesia, local anesthetic injected close to nerve trunks or plexus. Example branchial, intercostal plexus or dental nerve produce loss of sensation peripherally. It is large volume needed. It is produced by injecting the local anesthetic around the appropriate nerve trunk and plexus. The area of resulting anesthesia is still larger compared to the amount of drug used. Muscles supplied by the injected nerve plexus are paralyzed. The latency of anesthesia depends on the drug and the area to be covered by the diffusion. Example, lidocaine anesthetize intercostal nerve within 3 minutes. Block. It is produced by injecting the local anesthetic subcutaneously in a manner that all nerves coming to a particular field. They are blocked as in done for aneurotherapy, appendectomy, dental procedure, scalp itching operation on forearms and legs. Larger area beginning 2 to 3 centimeter distal to the line of injection can be anesthetized with laser drug compared to infiltration. The same concentration of local anesthetic as for infiltration is used for field block. It uses appendectomy, dental procedure, operation on forearm, legs, scalp itching. Injection in the spinal subarachnoid space between number 2 to 3 and 4. It is very safer and good analgesia. It is used as muscle relaxation without loss of consciousness. The uses of the spinal anesthesia for the operation on the lower limb, pelvis, lower abdomen, prostatectomy, fracture setting, obstetric procedure, and cesarean section. Complication if not properly given: respiratory paralysis, hypotension, loss of control over bladder and bowel, septic meningitis. Certain injection in the epidural space. It acts on the nerve root. It is useful for providing analgesia or anesthesia in surgical and obstetric practice. The type: thoracic injection made in mid-thoracic region, and epidural space is narrower and smaller volume of drug is required. It is mainly used for pain relief following thoracic upper abdominal surgery, and lumbar epidural space is widely larger volume of drug required, and it use produce anesthesia of lower abdomen, pelvis, and hind limb. The injection is given in the sacral canal through the sacral hiatus. It produces anesthesia of pelvis and perineal region. It is used mostly for vaginal delivery and anorectal and genitourinary operations. They are mainly used for upper limb and orthopedic procedures. First limb is first elevated and then tightly wrapped in an elastic bandage to arrest blood flow. Second is tourniquet applied proximally and inflated to above arterial blood pressure. Third is elastic bandage is removed and about 20 to 40 ml of 2.5% lidocaine injected IV under pressure distal to tourniquet, and the regional anesthesia produced within 2 to 5 minutes.